My Disney Stars and Friends Level 2. Unit 1, Lesson 7 and Review. School Things. School Things. It's a pencil. It's a pencil. It's red. It's red. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil case. It's blue. It's blue. It's a lunchbox. It's a lunchbox. It's red. It's red. It's a marker. It's a marker. It's yellow. It's yellow. It's an eraser. It's an eraser. It's blue. It's blue. It's a book. It's a book. It's green. It's green. It's a backpack. It's a backpack. It's green. It's green. Great job. Goodbye.